For Egypt, two rivers have played indispensable roles in its development. One being the Nile River behind me, while the other being the Suez Canal. For 165 years since the excavation, the Suez Canal has witnessed the Egyptian people breaking free from imperial colonization and striving for national independence. The Suez Canal is located in Egypt, connecting the Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea as a vital channel linking Europe, Asia, and Africa. The canal began excavation in 1859 and was officially opened to traffic in 1869. It was initially dug by hand, and a large number of Egyptian laborers died during the construction.
تقريبا 10 سنين في عملية الحفر. حوالي أكثر من 1,000,000 مصري ساهموا في عملية شق وحفر القناة. مات فيها تقريبا فوق 120,000 مواطن مصري. تم الحفر هم مصريين. التكلفة كلها كانت على مصر.
In 1876, overwhelmed by its rapidly accumulating debt, Egypt declared bankruptcy. Western powers took full control of the canal without firing a single shot. In 1952, Egyptian military officers led by Gamal Abdel Nasser staged a revolution, overthrowing the pro-Western monarchy, and the following year witnessed the establishment of the Republic of Egypt. On July 26, 1956, Nasser declared that he had signed into law the nationalization of the Suez Canal Company on the very day. The former Egyptian president's decision challenged the core interests of Britain and France. They decided to ally with Israel to launch a war and seize control of the Suez Canal. Ultimately, under the pressure of global condemnation and the Egyptian people's unwavering determination to defend the canal, the aggressors backed down and withdrew from Egypt.
فهو فعلا القناة قبل ذلك كانت كلها تحت سيطرة الفرنسيين والإنجليز، وبالتالي أطماعهم ظهرت جدا جدا مع تأميم مع القناة وإعلان الحرب على مصر. يعني هي فترة صعبة في كل تاريخ الشعوب. ما فيش دولة في العالم بترحب بالاحتلال أو استغلال مواردها أبدا. يعني
Most of my life to Suez Canal, working for Suez Canal. Remember the best days which I spent in Suez Canal. Abdel Nasser had the right decision when he nationalized Suez Canal in 1956. Every Egyptian have a special relation with Suez Canal. It is part of his history, part of his struggle to have freedom.